Good morning, everyone. This is a Sunday sound sharing. Good to see you again after so long of a break. So I guess I'm ready to see you again. And then sharing this sound sharing as we do like before. So I'm excited because so I can do this, on a regular basis. And also, this is a sound sharing part with the Journeys to Mount Shasta, my podcast program that I'm doing at the same time. So yeah, very glad to come back because after a long break, being away, so I'm ready and to share our sound sharing. In our last podcast, we talked about the 13 chakra system. But before we go further with that, today I'm going to talk about a little bit of the 7 chakra, which is most people know about the 7 chakra is our 7 energy center, major 7 energy center in our human body, reflecting as well as on the Mother Earth. So Mother Earth also has a 7 chakra in the places that on the Earth. So the root chakra will be on the base of your tailbone, and then that's root chakra. The color is red. Okay, so we know the rainbow color is a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and then violet. So these are the 7 chakras color as well. So the base chakra we also call root chakra. It's on the base tailbone, base of your tailbone. And then the second chakra is a sacred chakra, which also where your inner child is. So you'll be like right here, a little bit below your belly button. And then the third chakra is a solar plexus. The reason I want to mention the location in our body is that today when we do the sound sharing, we're going to focus on helping to connect with your chakra individually, also together, so you can start feeling your energy center, that the vibration and your energy center coming out the energy. So that way we can all work on this, and then later on we can extend it to this 13 chakra system, which is the very important progress that we're doing worldwide, because this will help our Mother Earth to elevate to the 5D, 50 vibration and frequencies. So, but I think maybe a lot of people still not familiar with the 7 chakra. That's why today we're starting with that. And then feel free to subscribe if you watch this video, and then that will be a great help. And then so I can get more subscriber. It doesn't matter. I'm not, this is not a paid channel anyway, but it will be great to know that more people is connect with us as well as Mount Shasta, because I'm very rooted with Mount Shasta. So that's why I was guided to do this Journeys to Mount Shasta podcast program at the end of April. So I've been doing this for almost 6 months now. Yeah. So yeah, on and off a little bit. But anyway, yeah, the program's still going, but sound sharing will be also part of this podcast, Journeys to Mount Shasta. So that way we can get more diverse contents, throughout the different platforms. Anyway, so we were talking about like a solar plexus. Solar plexus is about right here below your heart, below your chest, and above your belly button. Okay, so this is where our will and action goes. So it's also very important because it also resonate with the color of the sun, you know, the yellow, our grandfather's sun. Okay, so the number 4 chakra is very important as well, and because it's a heart chakra, okay? Heart chakra is about right here. And then because the reason I kind of mentioned about that is because heart chakra is the bridge connecting your upper 3 chakras and the lower 3 chakra, which we just went over, the root chakra, sacral chakra, and the solar plexus. Those we call lower chakra, lower 3 chakra. So heart chakra is number 4, so it's between 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 6, 7. So it's very important. The color is green, emerald green or green. It represents the healing, abundance, and prosperities. So it's very important. Just remember that, because without heart beating, you know, our physical body will be gone. You know, not functioning, will be not functioning. So anyway, our number 5 chakra is our throat chakra. This is the area, our throat chakra. Okay, and I know the video is kind of tilted because my tripod is not like a fancy one, so I probably need to get another one to be better. I can manipulate a little bit on the angle, but anyway. So the 5th chakra is throat chakra. It's the color of the blue. Okay, throat chakra is very important because it's communication, and then, you know, telling the truth or express your truth, express yourself. It's very important because our society tend to kind of suppress our true feeling inside. Either we're not feeling comfortable, or we fear if we say something that is actually from our heart, from our true feeling, we will get burned or get punished. So I think throat chakra is also a very important chakra that over the years that we have been working on it, the color of the blue, and then because we need to express ourselves from our heart, and then to express, to truly represent what you said, you know, not afraid of getting punished, or, you know, getting any like disagreement from other people. Okay, so anyway, so the 6th chakra, number 5, number 6 is the 3rd eye chakra, this one here, but it's not actually not between this your eyebrows, because it's actually inside of we call a pineal gland. Pineal gland is actually from this point go in, and then from your ear, from the both side of ear go in, and there's a intersect point. So that's our pineal gland. So that's our 6th chakra. The color is indigo. And then the crown chakra is the 7th chakra that we it's our 7th chakra, called crown chakra. The color is violet. And also, if you're on this spiritual journey, maybe you learn about like a new age metaphysical like ideas or whatever content that you experience, that we know the Ascending Master Saint Germain is the one who is in charge of violet, because it's for the transmutation. Okay, so it's also a very good transmute whatever like negative emotions or negative feelings or negative experiences in your life, to transmute into light, into love. So if you if you feel drawn to it, you can actually call up on Ascending Master Saint Germain to help you with the violet flame. You may already know that, but this is some information just came through, so I would like to share with you. So this is the crown chakra. So before we started our crystal ball, I'm going to share with you that the 7 location, if I remember correctly, the 7 location of Mother Earth, all the 7 chakra that are located right now. Okay, so very interesting. The first one, base chakra, root chakra, actually, the Mother Earth root chakra is actually located in Mount Shasta, which is Northern California. So this year I've been promoting Mount Shasta through my podcast program, Journeys to Mount Shasta. And then I also got the information from my friend up there in Mount Shasta. She told me that actually there are a lot more visitors go to Mount Shasta visiting this year, just this year. So my message came from Mount Shasta to promote the Mount Shasta was kind of aligned with that. So we also saw a lot of synchronicities happens all over the world. In your daily life, that's very that you can say that because if you notice the synchronicity or synchronization in your daily life, that means that we are, as a human being, with the Mother Earth, our vibration is increasing, continuously to go up. So, that's why people start telepathing those kind of idea, and then something just sync together and happen, and it actually just happen in your life. If you pay more attention, that I think it will be interesting events or occasions that you will be aware of or you will notice, and that's is actually a good sign, because that means as a human being, individually we connect the idea, connect the vibrations together more, so that will also help us and help the Mother Earth to continuously to increase our vibration. So that's Mount Shasta, very important, is your root chakra. But people go there, if you only go as a visitor, I would also strongly suggest that as well. You don't have to carry any baggage about the spirituality or anything. Just go there, feel the mountain, feel the nature, feel what the Mother Earth will offer you, and then so you get refreshed, you get some inspiration from the mountain or from your trip to there, and it's very good. Okay, so just take a trip there. You will know that you will actually realize more that why we are promoting this Mount Shasta energy. So the second chakra, where is it? Oh, the second chakra of Mother Earth is Lake Titicaca, which is in Peru. My friend Linda just went to Peru with a group, so they have a great time. They did some ceremony there, and then get some inspiration. Also work on the Mother Earth's grid system, maintaining, repairing, and also activating and enhancing those kind of things. So those are things that light workers come as a team, come as a group, come as a team to do this kind of like a project or the mission, go on mission like that. And then eventually, hopefully, in the near future, I will be able to continue to do this part of my soul mission. So that will be wonderful. But anyway, my base is still in Mount Shasta, and I don't think, okay, I'm getting goosebumps now. Okay, so yeah, I'm now moving to Sedona, right? We don't know. But anyway, so the third chakra is, okay, It's Uluru. It's the highest rock in Australia. That's Uluru. Uluru, also you know as a highest rock. So it's a very powerful rock. I think started last year or the year before. When I did the meditation, I connect somehow the energy, that energy came to me, you know, because when I do meditation, I will have like pictures or inner vision. The picture will come to me, or the rock actually came to me several times, and that was very strong. So I think I was also getting activated, connecting with the Iris rock about 2 years ago. And then the fourth chakra, it's I just recently learned it's actually in England, the Stonehenge. Before I thought there was some place in England, but a couple of weeks ago I was Googling some information about 13 chakra system, and then I saw that one of the article that said it's a Stonehenge. So that's kind of interesting, because I remember about when I connect with the Iris rock that year, same thing, not at the same time, but in a different meditation, I actually also have the Stonehenge's energy came through several times. So right now, when I'm talking about this, I realize, okay, that was actually the initiation, the connection with these two chakras of the Mother Earth. And then actually about 3 weeks ago, no, I think it's about over a month ago, I was, during my meditation, I just all of a sudden saw this, okay, I'm getting goosebumps all over again. I saw this green dragon was there. So when a couple of weeks ago, I read about this article, the heart chakra of the Mother Earth is actually in Stonehenge, then I connect both those two messages. I was like, oh my God, I just realized that no wonder I saw the green dragon was a guardian, is a guardian that place there in the Stonehenge. So these are information I'd like to share with you, so now you know. Anyway, what is our fifth chakra? Okay, the fifth chakra I think is in Egypt, Great Pyramid, those area. And then the sixth chakra, the third eye chakra, I think it says on the article that I read, it says it's movable. So I think right now it's in, okay, this one I don't remember. I think, but eventually when we get out of Aquarius time, the Aquarius, when we go into the Capricorn age, you know, the astrology Capricorn time, then I think you will move to Brazil. That's what I remember. I don't remember where is it right now. But anyway, that's okay. If you want to find out, you can actually Google it. And then our crown chakra is in it's also a very famous place, not just for spirituality. You know, people like to climb there, try to go on the peak. It's in Tibet, the highest peak in Tibet. This is Mount Kailas, okay? So those are 7 chakras of Mother Earth. So now, before we're going to start this sound sharing, so we can help you to activate your 7 chakras, also align with the Mother Earth's 7 chakras. So if you've been to any one of any one of those places, maybe multiple places, that'll be great because you already connect with the energy there. So now what you do is you just go back to that place, you know, telepathically, you know, then you can connect directly, and then also any picture of all those seven places, you can just picture those places in your mind. Then you can connect with those energies and vibration, and then ask those places energy to help you to connect and activate your chakra in your body. So what we're going to do is that we are going to use a crystal ball and then help you to relax, help you to focus, help you to connect these energies quickly, and then help you to activate your 7 chakras, and then resonate with also our Mother Earth chakra. So I try to talk a little bit more faster so we can have more time with this sound sharing part. Okay, so that's what I share with you today. But now we are going to go into this bowl section, so we can work on whatever information I just shared with you, and then resonate with the body, 7 chakras, and then connect with the Mother Earth's 7 chakra places. Okay? So now please take a few deep breaths and slowly close your eyes. Each deep breath will relax your body, relax your mind, and relax your spirit. Close your eyes, please. Now we're going to slowly run through your 7 chakras, starting from the base of your base chakra, root chakra. So picture the color of the red in your base chakra area, the root of your tailbone. Now slowly we're going up to our sacral chakra. It's a below belly button, where your inner child is. See the color of the orange in that area, and it's like a heartbeat. Boom, 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 boom. You know, you can feel that vibration. Also connect this picture of the Mother Earth sacral chakra. Sacral chakra is a late Titicaca. Ask the Titicaca, late Titicaca. Connect with the late Titicaca, and then feel the energy coming to you, and connect with your sacral chakra. And the base chakra, picture the Mount Shasta, and then connect with the energy. Feel the energy coming from Mount Shasta and then connect with your base chakra. Okay, now we go up to your solar plexus. See the color of yellow, bright yellow, is in your solar plexus. You can feel the energy is activating and then vibrating from your solar plexus. You can use one of your hand to put it on that stomach area below your chest, above your belly button. Each chakra, when we talk about each chakra, you can use one of your hand to put it in that location, and so you can kind of feel it, and kind of also using your hand to activate as well. So this is Iris rock. Picture Iris rock from Australia, and then connect the energy, feeling the energy coming from Iris rock, Uluru, and then connect with your solar plexus. Now we move up to our heart chakra. Picture the Stonehenge with the green dragon. Green dragon is a guardian, the guardian of that place, one of the guardians. Picture the Stonehenge, the energy coming to connect with your heart. I just also feel the Ascending Master Hilarion, which is also the host of Great Emerald Temple in Mount Shasta area. Underneath the Mount Shasta, the Talos city just came through, and then help us to connect whatever we are working on right now. Thank you, masters and angels, all the spirit, come to assist us. So put your hand on your, on your heart, feel it. Feel the energy from the Stonehenge, from Great Emerald Temple, from Ascending Master Hilarion. Okay, now we move up to our throat chakra. Ascending Master El Moya also came to assist us, support us. See the blue color in your throat chakra area. You can feel it. And then picture the Great Pyramids. Connect with the Great Pyramid, feeling or seeing the energy coming to you from the Great Pyramids, and then connect with your throat chakra. Okay, now we move up to our third eye chakra, which is movable. So just picture a place that in your life that you remember the most, that when you were there, you were so happy, you will so enjoy that place, or the vacation, or people around you, with the family, with loved ones. Just picture that place. And then maybe it's on the beach somewhere, Bahama or Hawaii beaches, any island. And then just feel the energy, feel the color of indigo color energy coming from that place, and then connect it with your third eye chakra, which you can see or feel the energy is coming through between your eyebrows and going inside to your pineal gland. You can feel it. You can actually put your finger, 3 fingers, or your palm on your forehead. Remember that place, remember that happy times, positive, enjoy time, wonderful time, relaxing time, so soothing, so healing. Also, the energy will be same way that you feel, and then go into your pineal gland and connect with you, and then helping you to activate your third eye chakra. Okay, take a deep breath. Now we're moving up to our crown chakra. It's above your head. It's Mount Kailas. Mount Kailas. Oh. In Mandarin, it's 冈仁波齐峰 ，OK， 是喜马拉雅山的最高峰，叫冈仁波齐峰。Actually, the shape of Mount Kailas, it's kind of a different presentation of like a pyramid, but it's a little bit different. But I believe, because of the shape, similar to the structure of a pyramid. So we know what that tells you, okay? So see that picture of Mount Kailas, and then feel the energy coming from the Mount Kailas, and then go in and connect with your crown chakra on top of your head. Okay, now we connect all the seven chakras and then activate using the support, the help, assistance from all these seven chakras of the Mother Earth, as well as from the angels, archangels, ascended masters, spirit, elements on the Mother Earth as well, like crystal, gemstones, and everything. So we feel a lot of different colors of energy, even beyond the seven colors of seven chakras, just keep coming to us, and then just infuse into our body, and then help us to activate not only the seven chakras, as well as our DNA, our cellular, to do any like a repairment or upgrading your system, DNA system. So take a few deep breaths. Just breathe in all the energies with the different colors from different places, from all the seven chakra locations of Mother Earth. Each time you breathe in, you can see all those different colors, energy you breathe in your body, and then connect with your cell, connect with your DNA, connect with your chakra, and then working on it. It's a continuously process. It's not like, okay, we're gonna activate it, we're gonna open up, and then it's just like that, okay? It just takes time. And your daily life will also affecting the openness of your each chakra individually and together as well. So just be mindful. Whatever intention, whatever attitude or emotion that you are holding every day, or you are expressing every day, will also affect the status of your chakra system. Continue to do the deep breath, so your body can adjust all the energy just coming to your body. Maybe you feel a little bit wobbling in your head. That's why you want to continue to do the deep breath, so you can channel the energy from your head going down to your body, through your body, and then going out from the bottom of your feet to connect with the Mother Earth. So not only you're getting connect with the universe, and also you're grounding yourself with the Mother Earth. So that's very important. That's why continue to do those deep breath while we are doing this, because this session actually we channel a lot of energy all at the same time to work on it. So you want to take deep breath continuously to help you to settle, to digest the energy. Okay, now you can take a deep breath. Slowly you come back. We give thanks to all the spirits, including the elements, archangels, angels, brotherhood, white brotherhood, ascended masters, and all the 7 chakras of the Mother Earth, the places, the mountains, the lake, the rocks. And then we give thanks to all the soul members, soul families are supporting us on this journey. We give thanks, we give gratitude to ourselves. We are willing to open up, receive the vibration, the miracles from the divine, from the universe. Take another deep breath. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you. Namaste. So that's the session today. It's a little bit long, but I think it's going to be worth it. So if you need to, you can listen more than one time to kind of align with the energies that we were working on it to help you to open up and activate your 7 chakras, and as well as connecting with the Mother Earth. So whatever we do is going to put a percentage of Mother Earth, the increasing Mother Earth's vibration. So it's very important that we all get on it and then step up and step forward to help the Mother Earth as well as the humanity as a whole. So yeah, I'm grateful for today that finally I come back, and thank you for all the supports. Mostly not physically, but spiritually, and I do feel that, and I'm grateful for all your support. And then I'm going to do the first sound sharing live in this taku shop. You can see the background. This is the place that we've been doing this, but I actually set up the place so we can have people. If you want to come, it will be November 23rd, the Wednesday, 6 o'clock to 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, I will post this. I already posted this on my Facebook. But if you have any question, if you are local, you want to come, you want to find out the dates and then the detail, just send me an email or send me a message on Facebook, or however you can connect me. So I'll be happy to help you with it, assist with it. So that should do it. So again, I really appreciate all the support, invisibly, spiritually support from all of you. So we will see you next time, okay? So we don't know what we're going to talk about next time. I'm this go with the flow type of guy. So we'll just see what the energy, or vibration will be when we're going to do the next one. Okay, so that will do it. So thank you so much again, and then we will see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaste.